Hello, dear Scorpios. Welcome to my channel, Karmic Sage. First of all, let me all wish you a very happy birthday. This is your month, Scorpios. Yeah. So I'm sure you might be enjoying your birthdays. Dear Scorpios, yeah, before we start, before we also begin your monthly reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. So Scorpios, I have your cards ready here with me and they are talking me some different things. Yeah, and the first card is Justice card. Yeah. So this is from the past, recent past, and this card says that you are justice. I mean, you have been, your karmic time is now over. Karmic time is something, you see, it's coming to an end where you are just served for what you have done immediately. You see, now I have done something wrong, so I get punished immediately. So this is what has happened to you in quite a few weeks, and this is the time is over now. And based on these experiences, now I'm seeing some positive, some new beginning happening in your work life. Yeah, a new career opportunity is coming to you, or a new business. Also, there is a possibility of you people starting some business again. Yeah, so because you see, Ace of, I have two beginning cards here, Ace of Wands, and then I have Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. So Ace of Pentacles in your place as you, what I am getting the vibes, you see, I'm feeling that, yeah, my intuition says that you are planning to start something. You are in a now you want to enhance your income, or you want to start some new thing, some new earning. You see, you want to start some business mostly, or you want to make some positive change, positive, you want to bring some change in your job also. You want to start some task, some kind of activity that should benefit you financially as well. So moreover, something is going in your mind where you are thinking of expanding yourself, expanding, you are expanding financially. Yeah, so this is what I'm seeing here, dear Scorpions. And there and because you are now prepared to do that, here you may also be getting an opportunity to start. Most likely, I'm seeing most likely starting a new business would be in your favor this month. If you are planning something, go ahead, this is your time now. Yeah, and then I have Page of Pentacles also in the near future, probably in the next half of the month or in the beginning of next month again. So I am seeing then there is, there you are going to learn something new, which is going to help you in using this opportunity properly. So it's like, upskilling yourself as well, or where you see, yes, upskilling yourself, and then. You see, like progress, skill development, you see, and then you're manifesting your desire. I mean, yeah, you want to do something, you're strategizing the things, you are manifesting your desire. So this is the time which is going to help you in bringing long term financial gains. Otherwise, yes, so you should, I think you should make the most of this opportunity, as you are anyhow prepared for it, you are anyhow planning for it. And the and things are also, the opportunities are also on the way coming up, so make proper use of it again. Probably, I think this is something, you see, the opportunity, or the business opportunity kind of, which is something you have lost. You have lost in the past, and this is again being served to you. This happens in very rarely, that once the opportunity lost is lost forever. But here in this case, probably someone has offered you something in the past, some job in the past, and that time you have denied. You have denied considering it. Now, probably this month again, you may get the same offer, you may get the same opportunity. Now, this time, you know Just think about it before you take a decision. I'm not saying simply don't deny it, but think about it. You see what happened if you have denied in the past is, consider those things, consider those consequences. If you feel, then probably you might feel that yes, I did not, I might have tried this. Okay, so if that is the feeling, then it's really good that you should try for it. Yeah, so try to be, no, try to analyze things, because here you are going to get something that coming from your past again. Yeah, Scorpios. So yeah, and this is again going to land you in a comfortable position. These opportunities, quite relaxing. This is what, quite stable is going to, yes, stability probably the right word. So this opportunity or this kind of new beginnings is going to stabilize your financial life also. Yeah, so this is what I'm seeing. Wow, I have your energy card, and which is again telling me this. You see, man holding a coin is the energy card. So more likely you are going to get an opportunity, you are going to get an opportunity where, with whom you, where you will be, no, there is a man, or there is a male energy coming into your life, or there is already a male energy present in your life who is going to help you in enhancing your financial, you with enhancing you financially. Yeah, so that would be the right thing. Try to understand who is that person. It can be a father, brother, husband, son, or someone, someone, yes, a person, person, some influential person also, maybe there, who is going to come into your life. If some, if there are no one present, then yes, definitely a male energy is going to help you with this. Either you are a female or a male Scorpion, but there is going to be a male energy come. You are going to get financially benefited from a male energy. Okay, so, or maybe you say you are going to form a contract, you are going to make a contract with someone, no, who is in a better position, who is in a, yeah, who is quite a wealthy person, who is quite experienced also. Yeah, so this kind of person with whom you are going to associate with, probably with this new opportunity. So these things what I am finding with you here, Scorpions. uh, so lot many good things are happening here. Yeah. Okay then, so I wind up my reading for this month, and I really wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Okay, I see you again in the next month. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.